Before we head any further, I woke up in the morning, brushed, shower, had a black espresso, black coffee. Then I went out, I tried McDonald's in Russia. And then I continue again. Look. Well, 64 GB I think, and it's full. So in total, if I and just it's really time taking. I started it at night and I thought by the time I will wake up it will all be done, but it wasn't. I was surprised by that. Mojiki means man. So here we are in, okay, portable toilet inside it. Look at this place. It's bigger than it looks here from here. I think you can see the people. And we're gonna buy a ticket and we are going. Ticket office. Hope we're not in the wrong place or not. There, it's written in English. The State Museum, St. Isaac's Cathedral, and here are the tickets. So we got our tickets for 200 rubles.
Where are you from?
India.
Namaste.
Namaskar.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Привет.
Come on, take picture.
First it looks like, okay man, why? But then you're like, maybe. And you go ahead with that. After you've finished, they'll ask you for 1,000 rubles. And if you don't pay them, they will try to hassle. So try to avoid. We put this barcode here and it's green. Russian stairs have changed. That up top. Let's go. Давай, мужики. On there. Definitely worth to come up here. That. It's much beautiful here. You can see where you are. All the architecture, all the rooftops. The strength of this staircase, Russian era. Slow. I don't want this thing to collapse. And towards the exit. Like in St. Petersburg. We need a quick Russian trash mode. Rained and I don't want to slip down. I wonder what the babushkas would think. And there we can see the minty green building, which I'm sure, but just a let's go. It's a dovoi muziki moment.
Заплачу, а зато когда я готовлю.
What the hell? Admiralskaya? I have been saying it quite wrong since the beginning. Maybe. Doesn't matter. I have the tourist pass.